Okay, finish.
So this is now finished. I'm going to make my hamburger fast now because I want to eat it. Today I'm going to open food set, eat set.
Wow. Let's see. That.
It's very nice. I like the egg because I never had that.
Okay.
Now let's open. Oh, I'm so excited.
Wow. Can you show?
Oh, I like it. Look at it, guys. How much is in it? What?
Yes.
Now, guys, I am going to show you and cut the things that I actually can cut. So I first need my protection for the table,
This one. What does it call? Plank.
a plank, and my knife. So first, I'm going to show you. So we got this. I don't know what this is.
Maybe vegetable or
Yeah, I think it's vegetable.
vegetable.
Yeah, or maybe carrot that they cut. I don't know.
Oh.
But this we cannot cut, so I put it here. So this is a strawberry.
So cool, huh?
Yeah, it looks like try to make it real. But it doesn't have the green stem.
Okay.
Then we got a potato man.
Yeah.
A mandarin.
Oh.
And then we got ice cream.
Wow.
Can we remove this?
Wow.
Oh, we can remove.
Hmm.
So we can use a scooper to do chip and then put on here.
It's nice.
Yeah, I like it how they make the texture. Then we got a hot dog.
Can you remove the sausage? Wow.
We got the bread and the sausage. And here it's a hot dog. We got chicken.
You can cut too. Wow. Inside? Oh, it's very good, huh?
Yeah, they make the texture so nice. Oh, we got a plate.
So, what color?
Yellow.
Yeah, so cool.
E.
Wow.
We got some bread.
So nice bread.
Whoa.
And you can cut it too.
We got one piece of the bread,
So nice.
another piece, and we got a third piece. So yeah, actually it's a loaf of bread.
Oh.
We got fish.
Wow.
I don't know which kind of fish this is because it's blue.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, I can cut it.
Wow. So we have 2 pieces, so we can cook.
Yeah. Then we got
It's shrimp.
shrimp.
Normally it's the menu from Japan. Japanese. It's tempura.
Tempura.
Yeah, tempura. This is shrimp. Huh?
I don't know what the tempura is or.
Tempura is a menu from Japan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ka.
Okay, so so cool, huh?
We got some meat.
It's steak.
Steak.
Yeah.
I think this is when it was not cooked. And this is for it's cooked.
Yeah, another side from the pan.
A blue plate.
So nice.
A red pumpkin.
I think, huh?
What? I have never seen that.
Okay.
But not an ice cream, but in pink.
Yeah.
Because look, guys.
Can open?
Yeah, the same. Like this one.
Wow.
We got a banana, my sister's favorite food.
Fruit.
Yeah, fruit. And then we got an egg.
So?
We can cut it.
Wow.
Ooh.
And you?
Oh, we got here the yolk.
Okay. So cool. So.
And then the biggest last thing,
What?
this here,
What is that?
the
first one.
hamburger.
Oh, this bread?
I am going to make it. First, we need the under one. We have the meat.
It's burger.
So I have to put it with the yellow side. We got salad.
So, okay. Yeah.
And then we got the topping. Ooh, some seed.
Okay, finish.
So this is now finished. I'm going to make my hamburger fast now because I want to eat it. Video, please thumbs up, subscribe right here and click the bell right here. Bye guys.